So in order to set up the undo send in Gmail, all you need to do is go up to the cogwheel in the top right corner here, click on there, go to see all settings, and on the left hand side there'll be an option for undo send, which is here. Click on the drop down arrow and you have a selection of 5, 10, 20 and 30-second delay after you've sent the email. This is your cancellation period. So I always set it to the maximum that it will do, just because I know what I'm like and it gives me more time to undo the email after I've sent it. And don't forget, once you've made any changes, to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes here. Then come out of there, go back into your inbox, compose a message. Okay, once the email is done, click on send, and you'll notice in the bottom left corner you've got a notification, message sent, undo and view message. This is where your 30 seconds comes in, so you've got 30 seconds to undo that message. It hasn't actually been sent properly yet. So if you just click undo, this will undo the send and it will open up the email back into your drafts emails for you to make any changes to it or to resend it if you want to. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Until next time, happy learning. This is Xena, the office dog, and she would love it if you could watch this video just here. Or maybe even this video. This video is good as well. Nope, she actually prefers this video just here. Or maybe this one. This one's really good. Actually, yeah, this one. Oh, do you know what? You decide.